Have you ever wondered how you can earn money while you sleep? Welcome to the world of passive income, a realm where your financial growth isn't tethered to the traditional 9-to-5 grind. Passive income is essentially money you earn with little to no daily effort to maintain. It's revenue that trickles in, even when you are not actively engaged in the task that's generating it. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's more attainable than you might think. Now, why is passive income important for financial freedom? Well, the answer is in the question itself. Passive income liberates you from the cycle of trading hours for dollars. With streams of passive income, you're not limited by how many hours you can work in a day. Instead, your earning potential can scale exponentially, without demanding more of your time. Consider this. You work a job, you get paid, you stop working, the income stops. That's active income. But with passive income, your money works for you. You could be sleeping, vacationing, or watching a movie, and your bank balance could still be growing. It's like having a tireless, never-sleeping version of yourself, working around the clock to make you wealthier. Building passive income streams also helps diversify your income. Instead of relying on a single paycheck, you have multiple sources of revenue. This reduces financial risk and provides a safety net. If one source dries up, you have others to fall back on. More importantly, passive income is a key to achieving financial independence. It's the cornerstone of a strategy that lets you control your financial destiny. With enough passive income, you can cover your living expenses without needing to actively work. That's financial freedom. And remember, building passive income doesn't require you to be a millionaire. It's a journey that starts with understanding, followed by small, consistent steps towards your financial goals. Imagine a life where your income doesn't stop when you do. That's the power of passive income. It's not just a dream, it's a reality you can start building today. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the different ways you can establish your own streams of passive income. One of the most popular passive income streams is real estate investment. Real estate, in essence, is about buying, selling, and renting properties. This industry has been a wellspring of wealth for many, and it could be for you too if done right. Investing in rental properties is one way to get your foot in the real estate door. What's the charm of rental properties, you ask? Well, it's like having a cash machine that consistently churns out income for you every month. Your tenants pay rent, and this rent can cover your mortgage payments, property taxes, and even leave you with a tidy profit. But remember, the key here is consistency. Now let's talk about the importance of location. You've probably heard the phrase location, location, location when it comes to real estate. It's not just a catchy mantra, it's a golden rule. The location of your property can significantly influence its rental income and appreciation value. A property in a thriving neighborhood with good schools, amenities, and transportation links is likely to command a higher rent than one in a less desirable area. But owning a rental property isn't just about collecting rent checks. It's also about property management. Ensuring your property is well maintained, addressing tenant concerns, and staying compliant with housing regulations are all part of the game. Some investors choose to manage their properties themselves, while others hire professional property managers. Either way, effective property management is crucial to maintaining your property's value and keeping those rent checks coming in. Lastly, understanding the market is key. Real estate isn't a static industry. It fluctuates, influenced by a myriad of factors like the economy, government policies, and even societal trends. Keeping your finger on the pulse of the real estate market can help you make informed decisions about when to buy, sell, or hold. Real estate investment can be a key to unlocking wealth if done correctly. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about building sustainable wealth over time. With the right approach, real estate can be a reliable and lucrative stream of passive income. Another powerful way to generate passive income is through the stock market. This isn't just for the Wall Street wizards or the financial whiz kids. It's a playing field that's open to all of us. And one of the most reliable ways to earn passive income from the stock market is through dividend stocks. So, what are dividend stocks? Simply put, these are shares in a company that pays out a portion of its earnings to shareholders, to you, on a regular basis. It's like getting a slice of the company's profit pie without having to do any of the baking. Some companies pay dividends quarterly, others semi-annually, and some even monthly. The beautiful part about dividend stocks is that they can provide regular payouts, kind of like a paycheck, but you're not clocking in 9 to 5. Your money is the one putting in the work for you. Now, the amount you receive depends on the number of shares you own and how well the company performs. So, the more shares you have, the bigger your slice of the pie. But here's where it gets really interesting. There's this magical thing called compound interest. This is where you reinvest your dividends back into buying more shares. Over time, this can lead to exponential growth. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger. Now it's important to remember not to put all your eggs in one basket. This is where diversification comes in. By spreading your investments across a range of different companies and sectors, you can mitigate the risks and increase your chances of success. Think of it as not betting on one horse, but spreading your bets across the field. Investing in the stock market can be a game changer, turning your money into a money-making machine. It's not without its risks, but with careful planning, patience, and a diversified portfolio, you can harness the power of the stock market to build a steady stream of passive income. Peer-to-peer lending is a lesser-known but equally profitable passive income stream. Now, what exactly is peer-to-peer lending? Simply put, it's a method of debt financing that allows individuals to borrow and lend money without the use of an official financial institution as an intermediary. It's the financial version of cutting out the middleman, if you will. The process is quite straightforward. On one side you have individuals who need a loan. This could be for a variety of reasons. Maybe to start a business, pay for an unexpected expense, or consolidate debt. On the other side you have individuals like you and me, who have some extra cash and are looking for ways to make it grow. These two groups meet on online platforms specifically designed for peer-to-peer lending. The platform does the heavy lifting of assessing the credit risk and determining the interest rate. Now, I can hear you thinking, sounds great, but how do I make money? Well, when you lend through a peer-to-peer platform, you earn interest on the money you've lent, much like a bank does. The interest rates can be quite attractive, often higher than what you'd get with a traditional savings account or certificate of deposit. But as with any investment, there are risks involved. The main one is the risk of default. If a borrower fails to repay the loan, you could lose your money. Most platforms mitigate this risk by spreading your investment across multiple loans, reducing the impact of any single default. Another risk is that of platform failure. If the platform goes under, it could be difficult to recover your money. That's why it's important to choose a well-established platform with a solid track record. A third risk is liquidity. Unlike a bank savings account, you can't withdraw your money on a whim. Your money is locked in until the loan is repaid, which could be anywhere from 6 months to 5 years. Despite these risks, peer-to-peer lending can be a great way to earn passive income while helping others. It's a win-win situation. You get to grow your wealth and someone else gets the financial boost they need. If you're more digitally inclined, affiliate marketing may be the one for you. This is the golden opportunity to turn your digital prowess into a steady stream of passive income. But what exactly is affiliate marketing? In its simplest form, it is a performance-based marketing strategy where you, the affiliate, promote the products or services of another business, and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral link. Sounds straightforward, right? But let's break it down a little further. Imagine this. You have a blog or website, perhaps about fitness, skincare, or even gardening. Your audience trusts your advice and follows your recommendations. Now let's say you come across a product that you genuinely love and believe your audience would too. You sign up with the company's affiliate program and they provide you with a unique link to that product. You then create content around this product, perhaps a review, a tutorial, or a list of your favorite items. Within that content, you include your unique affiliate link. When your audience clicks on this link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. The company gains a sale they might not have had otherwise, and you get rewarded for your referral. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it can be as passive or as active as you want it to be. You can choose to create fresh content regularly, or let your existing content do the work. The key is to build trust with your audience, offer genuine recommendations, and maintain transparency about your affiliate relationships. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and a keen understanding of your audience. But with the right approach, it can be a significant source of passive income. So, whether you're a content creator, a social media influencer, or just someone with a knack for digital marketing, affiliate marketing can offer a viable path to financial freedom. After all, who wouldn't want to make money while they sleep? Affiliate marketing can turn your online presence into a profitable venture. So, are you ready to take the leap? Creating and selling digital products is another exciting way to generate passive income. But what exactly are these digital products we're talking about? Digital products are any goods that are stored, delivered, and used in an electronic format. They're a brilliant way of packaging your expertise into something that can provide value over and over again. Let's start with ebooks. If you're a subject matter expert or have a unique story to tell, writing an ebook can be a great way to share your knowledge or experiences with the world. Once you've written your ebook, platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to get your book into the hands of readers around the globe. Next, online courses. If you have a skill that others want to learn, creating an online course can be a lucrative way to capitalize on your expertise. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Coursera offer a place to host your course and reach a wide audience of eager learners. Then there's software. If you have the coding skills, creating a helpful tool or application and selling it online can be a great way to generate passive income. Even if you're not a coder, partnering with someone who is can open up this opportunity for you. But creating the product is just the first step. It's crucial to market your product effectively to ensure it reaches its potential audience. Utilize social media, content marketing, and SEO strategies to make your product visible to those who would benefit from it. Selling these products can be done directly from your own website, or through platforms that cater to digital product sales like Shopify or Gumroad. These platforms handle the sales process, allowing you to focus on creating great products. Remember, the key to a successful digital product is providing value. If your product solves a problem, provides knowledge, or fulfills a need, people will be willing to pay for it. Digital products can be a powerful source of passive income, leveraging your skills and knowledge. So why wait? Start creating your digital product today. So, are you ready to make money while you sleep? We've had a whirlwind tour of passive income streams, each with its unique flavor and potential to contribute to your financial freedom. Let's recap these golden avenues to ensure they're etched in your minds. First off, we delved into the world of real estate investment. Remember, the real estate market can provide a steady income flow through rental properties or a significant payoff through property flipping. It's a tangible asset that often appreciates over time, offering both security and potential growth. Moving on, we explored the stock market. Stocks can be a roller coaster ride, but with careful research and diversification, they can provide significant returns. Dividend-paying stocks in particular can serve as a consistent income source, making them a valuable addition to your passive income portfolio. We then navigated the waters of peer-to-peer lending. This modern form of lending allows you to play the bank, earning interest on loans to others. It's a relatively easy way to generate passive income, but remember, it comes with its share of risks, so tread carefully. Next, we delved into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. By promoting other companies' products or services, you can earn a commission on any sales made through your referral links. It's a flexible option that can be scaled to match your ambitions. Lastly, we discussed creating digital products. These can range from ebooks to online courses, offering you a way to monetize your expertise or creativity. Once created, these products can generate income with little ongoing effort. Remember, diversification is the key. Spreading your investments across various passive income streams can help cushion any financial blows and ensure a steady income flow. Mastering these passive income streams can set you on the path to financial freedom. Remember, the journey to passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. Start today and see where the journey takes you.